Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you will fine also. May Allah bless you. Keep smiling. Always be happy in your life. So viewers, today I share this video. I hope you will love these videos. This video is so gorgeous and beautiful designs. So viewers, I hope you will love these videos. Water is very soothing and relaxing, and these ideas for backyard waterfalls can help you to create a peaceful ride on your property that is both visually appealing and very refreshing. So viewers, however you can that want more unique with the addition of a natural cascading waterfall or a fountain. If you want something more modern, you may want to select a water feature. So viewers, a waterfall can also be integrated into a pool, or you can also have it flow over rock into a natural pools, which would really create a beautiful effect. Incorporation of stones into your designs will not only help to create a natural looking waterfall. You can have your waterfall professional design your backyard, or you can make on yourself. So viewers, please subscribe my channel. After subscribe my channel, you will receive new notification and new updates related to decoration ideas. Please support my channel, be connected with me. Allah Hafiz. Take care.